Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Our initial report was released on Wednesday, March 6, 2024, and now we're back with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of the curve with updates that could impact your investment decisions. Improve your trading strategies with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Since February 14, 2024, our system has identified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate with a score of 4.58. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who heeded our analysis would have experienced a significant gain of 29.58% since we first recommended Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate 15 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.97% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. A break above the top trend line at $39.38 would signal a more robust uptrend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 52.44% change in the next quarter, with a potential return ranging from 26.91% to 56.78%. Considering the 12-month trend, a 24.55% change is expected over the year, with a possible return between -17.82% and 26.35%. This predicts a price range of $31.47 to $48.38 after 12 months. Our latest update on Ishares Bitcoin Trust reveals that the ETF's price surged by 8.41% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, Wednesday, March 6, 2024, the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF saw its price climb from $35.32 to $38.29, marking a significant increase. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a 3.49% fluctuation, reaching a low of $37.30 and a high of $38.60. It's noteworthy that the price has been on an upward trend for 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a substantial 31.67% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume decreased by -60 million shares on the last day, with a total of 45 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.72 billion. It's important to consider that a decline in volume amidst rising prices may indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early signal for upcoming changes in the market. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached its peak at $39.69 and its lowest point at $21.54. Currently, the price stands at 3.53%, or $1.40, below the 52-week high of $39.69, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF has shown positive signals. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate buy signals, suggesting a favorable outlook. The relationship between the two signals also points towards a buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. Support levels can be seen at $35.82 and $28.04, with a breakdown below signaling sell opportunities. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Despite price gains, a decrease in volume signals a potential divergence between volume and price, warranting close monitoring. Negative signals have also emerged, influencing short-term developments. A recent sell signal from a pivot top point on Monday, March 4, 2024, has led to a -0.93% decline, hinting at further downward movement until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average points to a sell signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 37 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we observe Short moving average reflects a buy signal 29 days ago. Long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $35.42 and $35.32 from accumulated volume. There is a natural risk when an ETF tests a support level because if it's broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support just below today's level at $35.42. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $35.32 and $34.45. This ETF can experience significant movement during the day, volatility, with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, making it a very high-risk investment. In the past day, the ETF saw a $1.30 movement between high and low, equivalent to 3.49%. Over the last week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 6.64%. Let's delve into potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. If there's an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust stands at $38.65. Wait for this level to be breached before entering a position if you're not already invested. For existing shareholders, this level could be ideal for swing trading. On the flip side, Ishares Bitcoin Trust faces its initial support level at $35.42. Should this support hold, it might serve as a promising entry point, expecting a bounce back. Our recommended stop loss is set at $37.01, representing a decrease of 3.34%. This ETF experiences significant daily fluctuations, posing a high level of risk. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top detected 2 days ago. Is Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, several short-term signals and a positive overall trend indicate a potential buying opportunity for Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF in the short term. However, it's important to note that our system suggests the current price is overvalued, which could impact its performance. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, March 7th, we anticipate Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open lower by $0.230 at $38.06. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's important to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you are responsible for your own investment outcomes. Welcome to our analysis of the current stock. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree or disagree with our view? What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Wishing you success in your trading endeavors and have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.